Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2025 Nissan Rogue S in gunmetal. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D8142.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.